Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, you asked me to tell you what worked for me on 2018 as makeup product and what not. And here I am. So yeah, I just want to share with you. As you know, I'm new in this community, so I didn't really test too much products, so please just be kind with me. For moisturizer guys, the product that I really liked and I find out this year is the Lancome. This moisturizer from Lancome. This is a great one. This is a jelly moisturizer. It's really bomb. It smells like a dream. I really like it. It comes like that. The texture is really great. It's expensive for sure, I'm sorry, but yeah, but it really works for me. I mean, that's why I really like this moisturizer from Kiehl's. This baby boy here, don't know if you can see it. No, here it is. This is a pore minimizing lotion, and I really like this product because you just you have to use this baby boy only on the part of your face where you have the pores, when you have the biggest pores, and you need really a small amount, and it really works, and it's also pricey, sorry for that. And after you go with your moisturizer, it works like a dream, and both of them really works for me, and I was so happy with both. For primer, I'm just, let me see, the Smashbox one is bomb. This primer is really great, and both of them, the lotion one and the spray one, I mean, both of them are really awesome. I really recommend both of them because they work really well. This is really help for hydration, and this one is so fresh, and I mean, I can't explain it. You really have to test it guys, because it's really a good primer. And for the pore, if you have a big pores, like as a primer which help you for your pores, the e.l.f. one is really a good one too, and the professional one that everyone knows. This one is famous, it's just here. This one is famous, so everyone use this one. But this one from e.l.f., which is less pricey, it's really a good primer for to get a poreless face. This one is really a good one too. For foundation guys, I have a bunch of foundation that I've really loved in 2018. I've tested and I love it so much. So I will start with the pricey one, and then I will go to the drugstore one. For the pricey one, those that I've loved is Dior Face and Body, I think, foundation. Yes, this is Face and Body foundation. This is really awesome, like really, I was impressed. I love it, I like it so much. The second one is from Becca, Skin Love. This one is really a good one. I find my shade easily. This is a weightless blur foundation. It really does. I mean, it's really weightless, it blurs your face if you have a big pores. It works like a dream, and I really like it. For affordable foundation, the one that I really like and it works like a dream on me is, no, it's not a new one, but I like it. It's the NYX Drop Total Control Drop Foundation. This is really a good one. It's a full coverage one, I think, or breathable one. I don't remember very well, but the shade is great. It was so easy for me to find my shade, and I really like it. For the stick foundation guys, the one that I've loved is by Kiko. This one here, not too creamy, but it's just a dream. I really appreciate this foundation as a stick. I've tested and I really like it. For concealer, the one that I've liked, really, I am wearing it right here, is the Makeup Revolution one. This baby boy here is really a good one. Seriously, it doesn't crease, and I use it like more than twice. First time I used it, I wasn't so impressed, and I didn't really understand why people compare it to the Tarte Shape one. But more I use it and more I really like it. So it works really well on me, and I really recommend this one. It's not pricey, it's really affordable. The MAC 24 hours, this is really a good one. I really like it because it stays all the day. I've tested and it doesn't crease on me. It's not creamy, but it's really a good formula too. And yeah, I don't feel my under eye like I really don't feel my under eye like dry when I use this concealer, and this is what I like. Then the other one, which is a pricey, is from here it is. It's from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty one is really a good concealer, guys. I really like it. I like the applicator because it's so cool when you use it under your eyes, and the formula is thick, by the way. You have to notice that the formula is thick, but it's really full coverage, and it doesn't crease on me too. So yeah, so both of them are really a good concealer. For setting powder, unfortunately, I don't know how to say it, but the Laura Mercier one doesn't work on me. I mean, on my face, yes, but under my eye, no. When I use Laura Mercier under my eyes, it darkens my under eye. I really tested again and again because I was shocked. I said, I want it to work, but it doesn't work. It really darkened my under eye, and I don't like that. I really hate that. So the one that I like is from Lancome. This here. It's really smooth. I use it under my eyes and on my face too. And the second one that I really like, is the Huda Beauty one. This is, guys, I know that a lot of people say that the smell is not so good. I agree with that. The smell is, I can't say not good, but it's too much. I mean, it smells really strong. This is the problem. For less pricey, Elf. This baby boy here, really small cup, but it's good. I mean, I've already finished it. This one is really a good one for your under eye because it works like a dream. I think I said dream like 20 times in this video. Anyway, I really like this one. And also as a pressed powder, I used sometimes this one when I'm in the rush. Fit Me from Maybelline too. This is really a good one. This is matte and poreless pressed powder, and yeah, I really like it when I'm in the rush. I really use this one and it works. I mean, it doesn't darken my under eye, and at the same time it's white, so yeah, that's good. For contouring, guys, as a stick contouring, my fave, and I think that you know that because you show me use it every time when I use cream contouring, is the Fenty Beauty one in the shade Amber. This is a really great shade for me. I really like it, and you really need just to warm it on your hand, because I know that some people say that it's not easy to blend because it's too, I don't know the word in English, it dries quickly. I mean, it's my go-to. For powder contouring is, I think you know that, is the Charlotte Tilbury palette, highlight and contour powder. I really like this one, guys. This is fair medium. This one is for fair medium. I really like it because it's first of all the shade, and in the second hand it blends so easily. I mean, really, when you use it, it really blends easily. I got it here right now. It blends so easily, and that's what I'm looking for when I choose powder. When I choose products, makeup products. That's what I'm looking for. Something that I can use easily and quickly. And this is really, really a great formula, and I like it so much. I know it's pricey, but I like it. That's it. For highlighter, guys, this is from the collaboration from Urban Decay x Kristen Leon. She's a YouTuber, famous YouTuber, and I really like this palette here. The second that I really like too. This is from MAC. This one is really, really a good one. It doesn't emphasize the texture of your face. Here it is. There is no shade, but I think I have the, because there is, I know that there is both. There is two ones, one for pale skin and the other one for deep skin. And this palette here, the Hyper Real Glow, is really a good one too, guys. So the palette, I've tested lots of palette this year, seriously, and there is one palette which disappointed me, and I mean, I'm still like, what's the trick with me? Why it doesn't work with me? What's happened? I was really like, is it me? Is it my face? Or I don't know. It's this palette here. Yes, Born to Run from Urban Decay. This palette, everyone liked it so much. Like, it was the palette of the year because of the shade. It was like a mix of shades. I mean, a lot of shades. Like, you can do any eye look you want with this palette, but I don't understand why on me it doesn't work. If I have to choose, will be this baby boy here. I love it. I love this palette from Dose of Color, Daisy and Katie collaboration. Guys, this palette is bomb. The packaging is bomb. The texture is bomb. The formula is bomb. It blends so easily. I love it, and I feel that I didn't use it so much because, as I told you, I'm new in this community, and I was like, I want to test other palettes, so that's why. But seriously, I love this palette. For the blush, guys, the one that I really like is from Kiko. I know that it's not a famous, I mean, not famous, but it's not too much people, YouTubers talk about it, but this brand, it's worth that we talk about it because it's really good brand. It's affordable. Some of the products are affordable, others maybe less. But this blush, guys, I love it. I really love it. It's a little bit shimmery, don't know. Not too much, it's buildable. And it smells like candy. It smells so good, and I really, really like this blush, guys. And yeah, I just advise you to test it by yourself and to see what do you think about it. Now for lips. I really like this one I have on my lips right now because of the color, because also of the formula, and also it doesn't no transfer. I like it. I mean, I know that I have yellow teeth. I'm working on it. I mean, I don't know which brand I have to go for to whiten my teeth, but I'm looking for a brand. I don't know. So by the way, if you know something good for my teeth, like I can do it here in my house at home, just let me know in the comment box, please. Then I can go for it. This lipstick is from YSL. This is a really good formula, and the color is really, really bomb. I really like the color and the formula, and I like it. I really like it. I can use it when I don't use too much makeup on my eye. I can just use this color on my lips and my makeup. I feel like I have I feel like I'm great. I'm happy with this makeup look, you know what I mean. And that I really like is from Huda Beauty Lip Strop. I really like this color. I don't know if I can see which color. Yes, Angelic. This is bomb. I mean, you can use it by itself. And for the mist, like at the end, you know, for the mist, the one that I've loved is the Catrice one, this one. This is a dewy mist, really dewy mist, fixing spray. I really like it because when you use it, you know, it smells so good, and when you use it, your face is so dewy. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. Your face is so dewy, and I really like it. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to asking me to do this video, because guys, you follow me on Instagram, and please go ahead and do it, because I share a lot of things. I mean, I ask you questions there on Twitter, on Instagram. So yeah, just go ahead and just add me or follow me. I will be so happy for that, and it's my passion. I like doing that, and thank you for those who asked me to do this video, because you know I'm not a makeup artist, and for me it's like a big honor to share with you, and that you're interested by what I like and what I dislike. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel, and big kiss.